Mr. Irani, where do you find valuations still unattractive? What are the spaces that the market has still not touched? Whether it's historical look at FMCG, they haven't done anything for 4-5 years, but P's are still in 45, 50, 60 range. Where do you think is still pain that the market has held back, but it will give it?
I think one is obviously the one which you stated, which is FMCG stocks, still at 50, 60 kind of P's for growth rates of late single digits to mid single digits kind of growth rates in earnings I'm talking about. If you're talking about consumption, with this kind of booster that the government has given, it won't be the staples which will perform. It will be mainly the discretionary which should perform, and that's why we don't see much upside in the FMCG part of the offerings. Secondly is autos. I think in the four-wheeler space, the rally was overdone, and that's why you're seeing such a shed happening in that rally as such. Frankly, I mean, if one were to hear what Trump has to say about India, it's always about autos. I mean, the way we apply our duties and protect our auto companies. Obviously, there's a limited amount of play that can come into India, but the fact is that the growth nowadays is in the SUV part of the business, where a lot of competition can come in if you reduce duties sharply out there. So I think that is another area which is fairly looking overpriced. Paints, we've always been negative, and we still believe that even though they've not done much, most of the companies, but we believe that they're looking very stretched out there. IT already shared with you, I think the fact that even the pre-COVID valuations, most of the companies are quoting at double those. That also puts us off a bit on IT, and the fact, as I said, AI is going to be a big disruptor going forward. So these are the few segments that we're not too at all comfortable with, and I'll leave it here probably.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.